As you can hear, I'm enjoying some Sunday night football, and it's time to make the breakfast for the upcoming week. So this is my last serving of chicken noodle soup, which I made last week. I've been eating this for like a whole week. I think it should be still be good for one more day, right? Okay, so today I'm making some chicken and rice soup. So I'll be using this jasmine rice. So this is like a medium grain rice right there. All right, the ingredients are going to be celery, similar to what I made with chicken noodle soup. Finish using these, right? Baby cut carrots. But this time I'm going to add some. This is the 16 bean soup mix, Fiesta beans. I just feel like why not add some beans for extra protein and flavoring, okay? And instead of white meat chicken like I used last time, one of my subscriber or suggested I use dark meat. So I bought the cheapest available chicken thighs, as you can see right there, cheapest. And so first I'm gonna boil the water and put this in there to get that oil, natural oil and flavor. And then I am going to add the other ingredients. So let's get started. All right, boiling some water, and I got my garlic and ginger. I already washed 4 chicken thighs. I was gonna say breast, chicken thighs, and bring it to a boil. Got my vegetable cut up nicely and washed. And over here I got half bag of the mixed beans soaking in water because usually beans take very long to cook. Alright, put the beans in here, starting slowly come to a boil. Whew, it's coming to a boil. It's looking real nice. Now I'm gonna put my 1 cup of washed rice in here. Let me go ahead and give it a good stir. Before I even add the vegetable, because the vegetable will be too soft, as the rice take and the beans take longer to cook. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a big clump right here. So as you can see, we have a nice oil layer, natural oil. I don't need to add any more oil because when you cook, it's really unnecessary to put too much oil on me. Too much oil is bad for the body. Okay. You see all the ingredients. All right, we're gonna cover it and cook it on low to medium low for about, I would say about a good 15 minutes. Then I'll add the vegetable, 15 to 20 minutes. Actually, I'm just gonna bring it to a boil, and then I'm gonna remove the chicken. I don't want the chicken to be overcooked because you know when chicken to be overcooked, it tends to be like almost like if you overcook steak, you know, it becomes a little bit rubbery or chewy. So I don't want that. I already have the chicken removed. As you can see, it's almost done. I'm just gonna shred it into nice shreds, so I could have spoonfuls of chicken every, you know, so I get a good portion on each breakfast serving. Got 15 minutes is up. Let's go ahead and check on the rice texture. Oh yeah, that's the texture I want. That's already like near edible. If you don't like it like porridge type of rice, you know, you like it like a chicken and wild rice. Now I can finally add my vegetables. Nice healthy ingredients. I might have to add some more water though. Let's go ahead and turn it back on high and bring it to a boil. All right, now I'm gonna bring it back to a low because the carrots needs a little bit of time to cook, but this is a lot shorter. About 5 or 6 minutes would be fine. Cover them low. Probably want to spices I'm gonna put some turmeric for flavor and coloring. I will use pink sea salt, but I ran out, so I'm just using regular salt because it's a huge pot. I'm just gonna put enough for flavoring. Of course, it's better to add less. You can always add more later on, you know. And then how about some curry powder, just for additional exotic flavoring. All right. Let's go ahead and give it a good stir. That is looking real nice. I want to enjoy some football, so let's go ahead and finish off this cooking recipe by adding a chicken which I shredded. And even included a bone for the additional flavor. Look at that. And then I add some water in there. Man, this is a huge pot. You can feed a whole family, or even the neighbors. I think I went a little bit overboard, but that's okay. Better enough than not enough, right? All right, now I'm just gonna bring this to a slow boil, and then we're good to go. This will be my breakfast. All right, here we go. Let me give it a taste test. Look at that. Look at how healthy that is. Combination of the daily nutrients. It doesn't get better than this. Now, if it just tastes as good as it looks, I'm happy. All right, I'll make sure I don't burn myself. Let me make sure that I get a little bit of all the ingredients, the rice and everything. Tastes good. I think it just need a little bit more salt. But there you go. That's my breakfast. Cause I'm sick of eating oatmeal. Sometimes you just have to take it into your own hands and make it more exciting. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Make sure you don't skip it.